time! Hi, Kermit the Frog here, and welcome to the campus of Bridgewater State University. Here at BSU, there are many great programs, but one of my favorites happens to be the ICE program. ICE stands for Inclusive Concurrent Enrollment. ICE provides support and opportunities to students to take college-level courses in subject areas that interest them. My friends and I will show you around. How do we get there, you ask? You can take the bus across campus. Good morning. Turn the beat around. Much in you percussion. Turn it upside down. Much in you percussion.
All by ourselves.
Here we are at the East Hall. Here you will see some facts about dorm life. Let's go have a look.
In the ICE program, we get to see what student life is like. And students live in dorms, like this one.
The dorms even have game rooms. People do laundry on campus. Well, sometimes. Dorms have kitchens, so students can cook on campus. This here is the lounge where students can talk. Let's take a look at peer mentoring.
So how are classes going?
Oh.
Oh, great to hear.
This is the Marketing Center. Here you will take classes or visit the eye specialist. They can help you prepare your work for classes and help you with your career. Let's go check out and meet with Tina and Mr. Chip.
Yo, welcome to the Mowgli Center. You can work at the computer labs.
Hey, how you doing?
Being on campus is great.
Alright.
This is East Campus Commons, where you can go to the cafeteria and the bookstore there.
This is the campus bookstore, where you can pick up your books for classes.
They even have Dunkin' Donuts here. Animal Rapper Dunkin'! Ah! Welcome to ECC Cafe. Ah! Cookies!
Campus got lots of restaurants around, and this is the Flint. This here is the Bear's Den. There's plenty to eat here.
What am I, Jump living again?
I think I like the ICE program because I get to go to classes at Bridgewater and seeing Tina for egg coaching, and it helps me be a better puppeteer. What do you think, Kermit? Well, I think going to college was really fun. You know, it's not often that a frog and a bear and a pig and a chicken and a whatever getting accepted into college, but now we're grown up, we're show business people. I think it's pretty neat.
Animal, you already had enough coffee. Coffee, coffee.
This is the Bridgewater Library. Kids can look at books. Sorry.
This is the Bridgewater Auditorium. People go there to watch shows and plays and stuff like that.
This is what an ICE program theater class looks like. This here is Tina Rank. She's the ICE program invitation specialist, and he's also an indication coach.
Hi, Kermie. So glad you're here visiting me today.
Oh, well, thanks.
You know what we do in education coaching?
What's that?
Well, we talk all about you because we do our person-centered planning.
Person-centered planning, huh?
Yeah, we get to talk all about you and your goals and everything you want to do and everything you want to learn here at Bridgewater State University.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Would you like to come visit me every week?
All right.
That'd be fun, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's a deal, Kermie.
It is a deal, huh?
It sure
And my
is.
friends would appreciate it if they come with me, too.
Oh, that would be wonderful. I'd love for you to introduce me to your friends.
Oh, good.
And we love to have fun.
You do, huh?
Uno, dos, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pule, pule! Watch it now, watch it! Here it come, here it come! Watch it now, he get you!
1, 2, 3, huh?
About a thing song. I do big horn. And the woolly dog, woolly, woolly. Woolly, woolly. Yeah, drive. Woolly, woolly. Woolly, woolly. Woolly, woolly. Had I told Maddie, let don't take no chance. Let's not be L7. Come and learn to dance. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Bully, bully, bully. Watch it now, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hey! Hey! Drive, drive, drive. Matador had it. That's the thing to do. Get you someone really bully wool with you. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Bully, bully. Watch it now, watch it. Here you go. You got it, you got it.
This is the Kelly Gym. Nothing but net.
This is Mr. Chip. And you'll meet him to work on your job skills and prepare for your career. Everyone's so nice at the ICE program. They are also helpful, too.
Come visit us down at the ICE program here at Bridgewater State University.
At the ICE program, students get to see a whole new world and a whole new side of themselves.
Alright, Ernie, today at job coaching, we're going to be working on practice applications for when you go for job inquiries and for your future job. What do you think?
Signing applications help you with your ICE career. We work on building our resume.
Career Session helps you with your future and get the job you want. Mr. Chip and Tina are great instructors. They help us so much.
Great career session, Mr. Chimp. I've learned a lot today.
Thanks, Cameron. Have a great weekend.
You too.
The ICE program here at Bridgewater State is such a great experience. It made my dream of getting a college experience a reality. I got to meet such great people amongst fellow ICE students and staff alike. The chance to have an internship here on campus at the radio station WBIM. Who knows, I might get my own show sometime.
Coffee, yummy.
even have a Facebook page.
Adam Baranzon, again. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you.
Okay, hold the door.
How was that?
3, 2, 1, go.
I go to post every day right in Marshall Center, not far away. We have some fun activity like going to Bridgewater, if you know what I mean. Having freedom on Taman and eating at the basement and the ECC. Everyone taking classes and hanging out with friends. Word. Your turn, Kermit.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, and go.
Does he sing?
Ice program is really great. Come on down and we'll celebrate. Don't you worry, don't you fuss. Come on down and learn with us. Word.
Word.
Good?
Keep going, keep going.
You too, Brown.
This might be too much for me, Nooch. Just wait. I need a spot.
Haha! That's one take!
At the ICE program, students get to see a whole new world and a whole new side of themselves.
Now look at the cam. Look at the cam.
Thanks, Mr. Nooch, for filming. Left, right, left, right.
Okay, turn
left, and turn. And head bounce. Now, up and down oscillate. Now, crazy dance. Can you do a little shuffle to the side like this? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Oscillate.